Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your Xbox One. So if you have black bars on the side of the TV, you may have entered the low resolution mode. And we want to go up to the top and go to settings right here. Then, under general on the left side, we want to go to TV and display options. And the first setting under here will be resolution. So I can see it's by default in 640 by 480p. Select this and then pick the highest setting. So I have 4K UHD. So I'm going to select this and then go to keep. And you can easily change your resolution from here. And then you can go to 4K TV details and you can see more information about your TV and your setup. So it seems like my TV supports up to 4K at 60 Hertz. Now if you did want to enable more features, we can go over to video modes under advanced. And we can check mark the higher hertz for our TV, our refresh rates, and then we can go to auto low latency mode. So if you want to go ahead and have reduced latency in your games or enable game mode, go to this section and enable this. So we also have the option for 4K. This setting allows native 4K content for 4K games, apps, even if your console is set to a lower resolution. So just come to this section as well. And then you can go to video fidelity and overscan and see if there's any options in here. You can increase the color depth right here per pixel, so we can go to this. Just change some of this stuff around. And then we have the color space standard or PC RGB. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.